Hi Sanjay.
Hi.
So we are with Sanjay Teli, and this is just opposite the Mapsa post office, Mare.
Yeah.
Mapsa post office. So at the moment Sanjay is busy packing some books which are to be dispatched abroad. And Sanjay, तुझे काम एकूच मरे. You specialize in one thing. Can you tell us what it is?
पार्सला पॅक करपाची.
For dispatch.
हय, पोस्ट ऑफिस, कुरियराक.
Okay, anywhere in India, anywhere abroad.
हय.
So at the moment what you are doing is you've cut the cloth for a book, for instance this kind of a book, and then you pack it in a very artistic manner. Sarke mare.
हय हय.
Huh?
हय.
My friends told me that. My friends who received your parcels are all full of praise for you.
Thank you.
In a very artistic manner and in a very tight and safe manner. So much so that it will reach any part of the world, nahi?
हय.
Sarke mare. Huh? So you've been doing this business for how many years?
Really, 13 years past.
आम्ही एकामेका कितल्या वर्सां वळखत आहात? How many years we know each other?
Around 8 years.
8 years,
Okay.
at least.
Yeah.
And I have great faith in your work. I would not hesitate to recommend you anytime to anyone.
Thank you.
So no, it's not a question. I'm not doing you a favor. Your work is really good. What is the cost for a parcel? Of course, I know you'll say it depends on the size. The size are permanent.
हय.
But from what range to what range? Minimum to maximum? Sangshi?
मिनिमम आम्ही 30 घेतात.
Okay.
मॅक्झिमम अराउंड 250.
Rupees 250.
Yeah.
And what about big parcels like maybe 2 feet by 2 feet and those kind of things? That would be more, no?
No, 2 feet by 2 feet. हे पोस्टाची सायजू आसा.
Boy, they have maximum sizes.
Length, breadth and height. It should be below 180 centimeter.
180, 180, 180.
No, all together 180.
Ah.
Length, breadth and height.
Total.
Total.
Very interesting. Very interesting. So actually, Sanjay, law ka khabar na, people don't know that the Indian Post is actually quite efficient, no?
सामके reliable म्हणतात.
Reliable and reasonable also, no?
हय हय.
Only thing is they do a little bit of kitpit when it comes to accepting your parcel and like you have to stand in queue. There is a long line in Mapsa.
Yeah, sometimes.
But I
Nowadays it is empty line.
nowadays it is empty
Yeah.
because of pandemic season.
Yeah.
So tell us, you can do cloth packing, you can do paper packing.
Yeah, cloth packing, paper packing, box packing.
कित्याक पडटा ते? Which is suitable for which? कित्याक बऱ्याक पडटा?
एक्चुअली कितें जाता, ते पार्सलां तेंची खूब आसतात.
या
ते मागीर भितर घातल्या उपरांत तेंचे कार्गोन बी घातल्या उपरांत फुट्टात.
कितें घातल्या उपरांत?
कार्गोक घातल्या उपरांत
कार्गो
ती
ओके when they send
उडयतात,
it
yeah.
बाय कार्गो ओके ते फुटता मागीर
फुट्टात म्हणून ते फुटल्या उपरांत भायर बी येवप
वय.
क्लॉथ पॅकिंग करप.
Okay. So when you cloth pack it, you pack it very tight, no, Sanjay?
हय हय.
So now see what you've seen Sanjay Teli doing is he's measuring the size of the parcel. Sarke mare.
हय.
And then he's going to get it so tight that there's not going to be half a centimeter of vacant space at any side, so it reaches. There's a good chance it will reach
सेफली पावता मागीर.
safe and sound.
हय.
People really admire your packing. They say that now in Europe, now in America, these things are not done anymore by hand. What are the main things people send abroad from here, from Mapsa?
मोस्टली फॉरेनर्स आसा ते क्लोथ्स धाडटात, कितें परत वॉल हँगींग,
Wall hanging, handicrafts,
हँडीक्राफ्ट, देन
medicines, homeopathic,
होमिओपॅथीक, दिस अँड आयुर्वेदिक.
Ayurvedic.
mostly.
Pun they are not allowed to send anything liquid, no? Don't look at the camera, forget about the camera. Just think that we are talking among the two of us. Liquid radung zaina, not allowed, nahi?
Liquid.
As per the postal rules?
Then electronics are
Not allowed. Not allowed.
Liquid electronics. And something breakable like.
I see. But if you pack it well, almost anything can be sent. No? What is according to you, Mare, tujhe ispan, what is the best things that could be sent abroad if people want to run small businesses? Of course, we are sending books. So, because I'm into books, I come here regularly, we package the book. And you send books. What else? What else are suitable to send?
Ayurvedic items.
Ayurvedic items. I see. Handicrafts.
Handicrafts also. Then this
Not foodstuffs and masalas are not recommended.
yeah,
No.
they are sending actually. Many are sending like that.
I see. I see. So now we've reached the end of the parcel, and Sanjay is going to show you. Sanjay, this one you're stitching the last side by hand. Why?
Yeah.
Why?
ना ते any machine design no.
It's too thick to be done on machine. Huh? Too thick.
Yeah.
And at the end of the show, Sanjay and me always end up fighting. He feels that he should charge me less, and I feel that he's undercharging me. So then we get into this great skirmish of you should charge me more, and he insists that he shouldn't charge me more.
No, कितें म्हाका मेळटा तेजो हांव satisfied आसा.
No, but I feel Sanjay, I really feel that you're doing such a good job. That more people should be now. Just see how he's measuring the amount of thread to be used. Sanjay, why is that? To avoid wastage or what?
हय wastage what's up.
You belong to our old generation, who has thought that waste करपाक वायट म्हणून न्हय, it's bad to waste, न्हय?
म्हाका नुकसान जाता मागीर परत वेस्ट जाता न्हू.
Yeah, waste. I don't like waste. Yeah. Thimble. You use a thimble.
Yeah.
When you started, Sanjay, तू शिवपाक जाणो आसलो? You knew how to stitch or शिकलो मागीर?
घरा कडलें कितें आसलें तें शिंवतालो पयलीं आमगेर मशीन आसलें तुमच्या बापायन घेतलेली.
हां, कोण सिंगर काय ना?
राजेश म्हणून आसा.
राजेश. ये विक्रांत न्हय?
अजून आसा आमगेर ती म्हणल्यार मातशी आतां
क्वॉलिटी बरी आहा.
क्वॉलिटी अजून.
तेन्ना चडशे लोक सिंगर घेताले न्हय?
ना सिंगर बी आसली उशा आसली ते आमची राजेश
उषा.
म्हणल्यार तेका ते मशिनाक आतां ना म्हणल्यार 50 years पास जाले.
Oh wow. We are just talking about brands of sewing machines and how long they lasted. Because in India everything is made to last to the maximum, which I think is a very good approach, no? Rajesh, Sanjay, not Rajesh. Sanjay, after I need to take this and go to the post office, but I need to reach there
The timing आसा
Yeah.
पर्यंत.
up to 3, before 3.
Yeah.
Before 3. Starting at 9 or 10?
9.
9 to 3. That's a Mapsa post office. Little bit of a queue on many days.
Morning time आसता मातशें.
Morning there is a queue. So just to finish, you can show how well you packed. And the location, what's your phone number, Sanjay?
9421150027.
9421150027. Thank you so much. And just one last point, you can. I don't want to delay the next person who's come behind us, but
He's my son.
he's your son. Are Baba, recognize. Recognize. How are you?
I'm fine.
Studying engineering, no?
No, I left engineering and I'm doing mass communication radios.
Are fantastic, man. You're in my field, and very good. Good to hear it.
Thank you.
Good to hear it. So Sanjay, mass last talk मरे ते बोकों कुतना मरते का? Last talk तू mass parcel दाखवे. Let the viewers see how well you've done, how neatly you've done. Small YouTube video, right? First class. This is a package. Perfect. Not 3 mm extra space. It's not going to hang and bang when it goes. It's going to go in perfect shape. And it's reached perfectly. Sanjay, thank you so much and wishing you all the best.
Thank you.